Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Pride. And today I'm happy to talk about one of my favorite projects. Haven't done a YouTube video on EMP money in a while, and it's the perfect time. You know why, guys? Because we have the new UI update. That's right. It's a new look to the website, and it's awesome. All I can say is awesome. Great look. Very interactive, very easy to understand, very helpful. You guys will be pleased. I was asked to go over the dashboard because it's not actually out yet. So this is gonna be the first time you really see the dashboard. So thank your boy Crypto Pride for bringing it to you first. So let's go over the dashboard. As you can see, it's a new look to the website. Very awesome look. Guys, before we do anything, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm on a road to my 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm at 750 right now. So every subscribe helps, and I appreciate every one of you guys. So we're at the dashboard, and the first thing you see is peg health. As you can see, peg health, we're at 1.0173, which is a good thing. We're actually above peg. You know, ETH has been very volatile these last couple weeks, if not a month, over a month. It's been very volatile. It's been jumping up, jumping down, depending on what the news is for the day. But right now, we're actually above peg. This is our second day above peg, actually. And you know what? When we're above peg, the boardroom is printing EMP. And that's what we want, guys. We want to be above peg. We want good peg health. Next column is the time, the countdown to the next epoch, which will be 1 hour and 28 minutes. Total value locked is $32,744,244, which is very good considering we're in the bear market. And the best thing I like is this EMP Money Academy. It's a free academy, guys. It's a free academy. It doesn't take long at all to complete. It's 21 lessons. As you can see, you enroll it. You can enroll in the academy for free. It goes over the farms. It goes over the detonator, which is a beast in itself. It goes over nodes. It goes over E-bonds. It goes over the auto vaults. Like I said, this course is free. It's 21 lessons. You can do it at your own pace, guys. You can do it at your own pace. You can save it as you go. If you can stop it, go get something to eat, come back. It'll pick up where you left off. But it's a must if you want to learn how the ecosystem works. Please, guys, take the academy. It only is going to help you. It's going to help you increase your bags. It's going to help you get a better understanding of the protocol. Okay, in this section right here called your unclaimed rewards, this shows you all your unclaimed rewards for everything in the ecosystem, as far as the detonator, as far as the farms, as far as your nodes, your unclaimed EMP, your unclaimed EMP from the boardroom, your unclaimed EMP from the bonds. Because remember, when we're under peg, that's the time to buy bonds. And once we're above peg, like now, you can actually claim your bonds, turn your bonds in and get EMP with a little extra kickback. Also have the execute auto strategy, where you can just approve this and it will allocate however you want. You want 10%, 5% in the boardroom, 95% in the farms, 20% in the boardroom, 80% in the farms. It will automatically create the LP token for you, and it will allocate 20% to the boardroom, 80% to the farm. All you have to do is prove it, and it will automatically do it for you. Announcements, which is great. This is a section right here for announcements. As you can see, 726, the EMP team hosts AMAs on Telegram every day at 12 a.m. UTC, which is 7 p.m. Eastern time. And you can check out the latest AMA. They go over, of course, the detonator countdown, where they, once it counts down to 0, you get to see who wins, how much was the largest deposit, and any type of updates. It will be in the AMA, which is held daily. Another announcement: what's the best form of advertising crypto? A giant green candle. EMP ETH is pamping. Don't be left behind. EMP is the industry leader in creating yield while maintaining total exposure to ETH. As you can see, we audited. And down here we have the price of EMP, which is 36 cents. E-shares, which is $6.90. ETH, which is $1,412. BNB, $243. ETH EMP LP is $46.45. BNB E-shares LP is $1,012. Next we have the detonator. Well, sorry, let's go back to the farms. As you see, we have all the farms. Just to let you guys know, all the farms produce E-share. And E-shares is what you're supposed to take profit in. You don't want to sell your EMP at all. You want to take profits in E-shares. You want to make sure you have a proper allocation in these farms so that whatever you're producing in the boardroom, you can match it up with the EMP that you're producing also. So we got the first one, which is EMP ETH. This is the less volatile of the bunch. And as you can see, the daily APR on this is 0.20%. Yearly APR is 73.2%. Total value locked is 12.2 million. You can just go to PancakeSwap and it automatically creates the LP token for you. Or you can zap it in. You can zap in BNB, BUSD, eShare, ETH. You can zap it in as well. eShare BNB liquidity pool. APR, daily APR is 0.55%. Yearly APR is 199.58%. Total value locked is 3.5 million. And then we have eShare MDB Plus, which is one of our new liquidity pools. And that's offering a 0.53% APR daily and a yearly APR of 192.81%. And like I said, all these you can zap in, or you can just create the liquidity pool token on PancakeSwap. And the good thing about these liquidity pools, you can claim all your rewards at once just by hitting this button right here. So whatever you have claimed right here, here, or here in the EMP eShare pool, you can just claim everything at once just by hitting claim all. And that's a new feature on the UI, which I think is awesome in itself. Now the cool thing about the claim all feature, once you hit that claim all feature, you can come right over here to the boardroom, right? Once you claim all your eShares, and then you can stake your eShare right here. Just approve it and stake your eShare right here. Very, very simple. Very glad they added that to the website. So you can take all your eShare that you have from the found farms, come over here, approve it, stake your eShare, and you earn your EMP. Or if you want to, like I said, you take your profits from the farm. You can take profits in eShare, because like I said, you're supposed to take your profits in eShare, and you're not supposed to sell your EMP. Okay, EMP is a utility token. It's the blood of the protocol, basically. Keeps everything good, keeps us above peg if you don't sell it. Okay, but while we're at the boardroom, this is the boardroom. As you can see up top, the TWAP, which stands for time weighted average price. Our TWAP, our peg TWAP is 1.01, so we're 1.38% above peg, which means the boardroom is printing, guys. Next epoch, which is kind of like a detonator in itself, it's 1 hour, 5 minutes, and 30 something seconds. Daily APR is 0.46%. Yearly is 166.3%. Like I said, this thing will be way higher, but like I said, we just became above peg, so we gotta make sure we pay off all the E-bonds first. Once you pay off all the E-bonds, this APR will rise and rise and rise. We have a total amount of 10,205 eShares staked. We have a total circulating supply of 25,000 eShares. Okay. Current epoch is 746. Lockup time, you have to wait 6 epochs in order for you to claim or unstake. Okay. So basically, you take your EMP, you can pair it up with ETH, and you can put it back into the farms, or you can take your EMP and we can go over to nodes. Let me show you the nodes, guys. We have 5 different nodes. As you can see, we have the nano node, which is offering, let's see, nano node is 500 EMP, which equates to 180 bucks. Estimated APR is 204.74%. Estimated return on your investment time is 179 days. You'll be earning estimated 2.8 EMP a day. Estimated daily APR is 0.56. Max payout is 400%. So if you want to get a node, all you have to do is approve it, and of course deposit EMP into your account. For example, if you want to get a nano node, you have to deposit 500 EMP. If you have the mini node, let's see if this bad boy loads up, which is 1,000 EMP. estimated daily EMP from this is 6.17 EMP. You have the kilo, which is 2000 EMP, and your estimated daily EMP on this is 13.57. You have the mega node, and that's 4000 EMP. Estimated daily EMP is 29.86. Then you got the big boy giga node, which is 8000 EMP. Estimated daily EMP is 65.69. So, like I said, all these offer max payout 400%, which is awesome. Let's go over to the detonator, guys. The detonator is a beast in itself. This is our ROI contract. You just simply deposit your EMP ETH LP into the pool and earn back 365% on your investment, guys. Awesome. So basically you earn up to 1% on your investment, okay, daily. Pool balance, as you can see, is 94,000 LP tokens, which equates to 4.2 million. You can see a total deposit, total claim, total users still. I think it's still kind of new. Only 3,659 users. If you compare this to Drip, Drip has like over 100,000 users. And this is, I think, is way better than Drip. And matter of fact, I'm going to leave one of my videos at the end of this description where I'm comparing EMP to the Drip contract. Over here, you can see the total amount you deposited, total amount you claimed, the max payout, your daily burst, the multiplier, and your percentage share of the pool. Your referral link, in case you want to refer anybody, is your referral link to give them. All you have to do is approve EMP ETH to deposit into the detonator contract. And the good thing about the detonator contract is that we have a top deposit prize every day. You get a top deposit prize for the daily largest depositor and a top prize for the daily random depositor. So whoever deposits the most LPs for the day will receive $43,923 today. And if you are the daily random depositor, you will also receive $43,923 a day. Wow, who else is giving out over $87,000 a day? Nobody. Your winnings you'll see right here. Also, if you have any referrals, you will see them right here as well under your winnings. Compound. If you compound, you will save 20% just by compounding, okay? If you claim, it was 20% to claim, okay? And that's pretty much simple as it is. Just remember, guys, with the detonator, we do have this countdown. That's why it's called the detonator. So once this countdown goes down to 0, you will have to either compound or claim. Like I said, you have this detonator. It's a 24-hour timer. Once it gets down to 0, remember, you have to compound or claim. So this kind of forces you to check on your investment every day, really, because you have to check. You have to either compound or claim it every day before this gets down to 0. If you happen to forget to claim or compound, your rewards will just get rolled over to the following day. And that's it. It's pretty simple. Like I said, it's one of the best contracts out there, and everybody loves it. Everybody wants a detonator, but they can't have it because only EMP has it. Okay? All right, let's go back to the new UI. Okay, next we have bonds. Multiply your EMP and support peg by purchasing E-bond when below peg and selling them for a premium when above peg. So like I said, last week last couple of weeks we've been below peg, so that was the time to buy bonds. And now that we're above peg, you can actually redeem your EMP for more EMP, because like I said, once we're below peg, you can purchase the E-bonds, and now that we're above peg, you can redeem E-bonds for 10%, 20%, 30%, depending on how long you want to hold it. The higher it could be go above peg, the more reward you would get when you redeem your EMP. Okay. What else we got? We have ETH staking, which is new. No other protocol has ETH staking with 100% APY. Let me repeat that. ETH staking with 100% APY. Wow. 4 times a year, 19% per quarter. We have a total of 666 ETH staked out of 2,000 allocated that we can have staked. Right now it's locked. It will be unlocked in 10 days. So in 10 days you will be able to restake your ETH that you already have in here, or new participants can also stake their ETH. Okay? Stake your ETH, stake your BEP 20 ETH to earn 19% fixed on your principal per quarter, 90 days. Okay? And then after the 90 days, you can either claim your ETH, or you can relock it for another 30 days. Another 90 days. And if you need to, as a emergency withdrawal, where you actually lose 50% of whatever you deposited, and any interest earned also you will lose if you need to make an emergency withdrawal. Okay? So like I said, that's coming up in 10 days, guys. You can see we have another detonator on this as well. So in 10 days time, if you are ETH maxi, or you just want to stake some ETH to earn 100% APY, if you're very bullish on ETH, I think this is very good for you guys. Of course, we have auto compounder. We have auto compounders for Beefy. We have auto compounder for Magic, and we have auto compounders for Yield Wolf, guys. So just pretty much take a look at each one. You can visit each one, and you can determine which one you want to get into. And it's auto compounding. And like I said, the Magic one is a real good one because it automatically burns EMP. So that's a plus. These other ones are also good. Beefy. They also have insurance in case any hacks or anything to the system. All these are good auto compounds. Just like I said, just do your own research and decide which one you want to get into. EMP Academy, I just went over. Merchandise, we do have EMP merchandise. As you can see from my thumbnail, I have an EMP shirt. We have EMP shirts. We have EMP mugs. Whatever you want to get, we have EMP. And then of course we have the docs, guys. So I hope you like the new UI. It's pretty awesome, if you ask me. EMP has a lot of good things going on. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, guys, please, I appreciate if you just like and subscribe. And you guys have a nice and blessed day. Crypto Pride out. Peace out.